Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, steering wheel controls. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.